Yep. That's where the cement's going to go here. Cement that area for your washing machine. This is making us some delicious breakfast here. Some leftover curry, a little bit of fish and an egg each. And here we've unpacked the brand new washing machine with some lighting there on it. We're going to set that up. We're going to do the electrical work. So we're getting ready for the washing machine here. And Arissa's mum, she's done the cement work. And Arissa is the electrician. So Arissa's got to run the wiring and hook the wiring up for the washing machine. Oh, and Arissa's also the plumber. We bought new parts for the water, so we got a plumber, electrician. Oh, there's the camera there. We got a plumber, electrician, got concreter, chef, everything. Okay, I'll give you a quick update before we do the maiden wash. So there's the new washing machine. Arissa's done the electrical work. It's all plugged in, turns on, working. Arissa's also done the plumbing, and Mum done the cement. There it is, new washing machine. No more plunging and scrubbing.